Assalamu alaikum. This is Muhammad Rizwan. You're watching YouTube channel Cricket Info. Australian cricket team are scheduled to tour Pakistan in March and April 2022 to play three Test, three One-Day International and one T20 International match. It will be Australia's first tour to Pakistan since 1998. In September 2021, Cricket Australia said they are monitoring the situation in Pakistan and will talk with the relevant authorities once more information become now after New Zealand cancelled their tour of Pakistan due to a security threats in November 2021. Pakistan Cricket Board confirmed the future for the tour on 4th February. The PCB made some minor changes to the tour schedule. The limited over matches were moved from Lahore to Rawalpindi and the venue of the first two Test matches are swept around, with Cricket Australia endorsing the tour. After initial fear that some Australian players may opt out of the tour, Australia named a full-strength Test squad on 8 February 2022. Originally, the Test matches would have overlapped with the Australia T20 tour of New Zealand. Pakistan Cricket Board will announce their Test squad yesterday under captaincy of Babar Azam, Vice Captain wicketkeeper Mohammad Rizwan, Shaheen Afridi, Fawad Alam, Azhar Ali, Hassan Ali, Numan Ali, Fahim Ashraf, Mohammad Nawaz, Imam ul Haq, Zaid Mahmood, Shan Masood, Sajid Khan, Haris Rauf, Abdullah Shafiq and Saud Shakil. Pakistan also named Kamran Ghulam, Muhammad Abbas, Naseem Shah, Sarfaraz Ahmed and Yasir Shah as reserve player for the Test series. Thanks for watching our YouTube channel Cricket Info. Please subscribe and share. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.